Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike here, back from vacation. So I will be trading Wednesday, September 13th with y'all, and I'm putting together a video. It's not that easy to put together a video when you haven't been trading. I think I missed 6 trading days, and as you guys know, as I'm trading throughout the day, I'll put something in my notes that if I see a stock that's starting to look interesting. Um, and obviously, I don't have any notes from the last 6 days, so I had to go back and look at everything really from the last 6 days. And it looks like, and you guys correct me if I'm wrong tomorrow, it looks like it was pretty darn dead. Volume hasn't really come back into the market. Sideways chop. So I don't have a big list, but as these next few days unfold, my future list will grow again as I find the new in-play stocks, if you will. All right. So anyway, normally I go over some of the calls from the room today, but I wasn't there, right? So anyway, looking forward to trading again. VFS, I did want to put on watch. I know I've been watching this for a bounce all the way down, and it looks like yesterday finally had a gap down. I don't know if it gave a gap down bounce play setup. Probably would have been an entry right about there. Moved up, I don't know, 50 cents, maybe scalp a few, and then I'd be back out break even. So it doesn't even look like it gave a great setup. Looks like a bigger move today. So maybe you could take the attitude that, okay, the last couple of days it kind of bottomed right on that horizontal line there, and a nice move today. You could make the argument maybe it's finally bottomed and it's up from here. So for that reason, you got 2 green days in a row. I am going to watch it tomorrow, right? It made that crazy run back here. So anyway, let's see if it found support and see if it gives a setup tomorrow. I'm looking forward to talking to y'all in the morning and seeing kind of how trading's been and if it's been as dead as it looks like it's been. SFWL, put a horizontal line at kind of the highs from back here, and then it attempted a big breakout today, but closing right at about that breakout point, so gave a lot of it back. If you look at the intraday, okay, it looks like it was a serial gapper, right? Had the run, looks like it halted. I didn't mean gapper, I mean serial halter. Ran again, halted, opened down here, chased everybody out, and then halted again. I mean, it's stupid. Whoever invented that halt rule, man or woman, I'm kicking them in the nuts if I ever meet them. I don't care. Worst rule ever. It doesn't help anybody. But anyway, because it had this maybe biggest volume day ever, and a pretty darn strong close relative to all of its other closes, but way off today's highs, I'm a day trader. I better put it on watch, right? WE, wondering if it wasn't a recent reverse split. I kind of feel like it was, but I didn't do the research. Anyway, big volume today, 61 million shares. And that doesn't look like a big candle, right? But if I hover over it and click, the low today was 301 and the high today was 672. That's a monster move on an intraday basis. Glance at 5-minute candles. Yeah, so this one certainly looks like it's worth watching for the next several days. I love when something can make a big move like that. And it looks like it held up pretty well. ICCT, I was watching it before I went on vacation. Looking like it worked its way down. Maybe a gap down. Bounce play today. Nothing really clean. It looks like nobody's trading. Just looking at all these charts. But anyway, put in a green candle. Maybe it found support now. I'm going to keep it on watch. I'm not in love with it. Skin, kind of interesting. Big volume today and a pretty strong close. That's one of my more favorite ones, if you will. CGNT, nice move. Recent high here, another recent high here, today's high right there. So this one could have a nice follow-through day. We'll see if it gives an A+ setup. CNC had a pop back here, and then I'm just talking about the last 4 or 5 days. You had the pop, and now it's kind of flagging. If I switch to 15-minute candles, maybe even go to 30s. You can kind of see it better. There's the big move, and then there's the tightening flag right there to there. So potential long watch. IVP, it's only been trading, a couple weeks, and just straight off a cliff here. I'm just looking for an oversold bounce, so I'm putting it on bounce watch. Whoops, I spelled that one wrong. CAVA is my last one, not a very big list. Just straight down for like a couple weeks, hitting new all-time lows. Decent setup for a snapback bounce, so I'm putting that on bounce watch too. As always, we'll work together in the pre-market to add new gappers to the list. Exchange ideas for what we can watch tomorrow. That's it for me. I'll see everybody in chat in the morning. Have a great night.